Hey there! Are you looking for some awesome money-making opportunities in Kenya's sound equipment rental and sales industry? Headphone, well, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into some exciting options for you to explore. Sound equipment rental, microphone, party popper. Who doesn't love a great event? Parties, weddings, conferences, concerts, you name it. Start a rental business providing top-notch sound equipment. And you'll have event organizers lining up to work with you. Selling sound gear, that's the sweet sound of sales. People are always looking for the latest and greatest audio gadgets. Sell popular brands or specialize in unique, high-quality products. Either way, there's a market just waiting for your sound equipment shop. Fix it up, wrench. Everyone needs a little help now and then, right? Offer repair and maintenance services for sound equipment. And you'll become a go-to resource for people and organizations needing some audio TLC. Installation services, hammer. Ready to make some noise? Offer sound system installation services for clubs, restaurants, schools, and more. Your expertise will help create unforgettable experiences for customers in all kinds of spaces. Custom sound solutions, knobs. Got a flair for the unique? Create tailored sound systems for clients with specific requirements. Home theaters, recording studios, commercial spaces, the sky's the limit. Teach and inspire, books, glowing star. Share your audio wisdom. Offer training courses and consultancy services to help others make the most of their sound equipment. Knowledge is power, and it can be very profitable too. Online shopping haven, Meridian Globe, shopping trolley. Surprise, surprise! Go digital with an e-commerce platform that sells sound equipment and accessories. Reach customers all over Kenya and beyond with a user-friendly website and competitive pricing. Team up, join forces with event organizers, venues, and other businesses in the industry. Collaborate and grow together, providing each other with sound equipment and services while gaining more clients. So there you have it, friends, Party Face. Kenya's sound equipment rental and sales industry is full of amazing money-making opportunities. Choose your niche, offer quality services, and you'll be on your way to success in no time. Good luck, rock it! That's all we have for now. Kindly share, like and comment below. Thanks.